Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So children, in this video we are going to recap far, near, over, under, all the concepts we have already learned. So ready children, what we have to do in this? Circle the right option. We have to see the picture, what is there in the picture, and read the sentence which is correct option, which is right option. We have to circle that. So ready for that children? See the first picture, what is there in the picture? You can see a house and you can see a girl. Let's see what is there in the sentence. THE, the, GIRL, girl. The girl, IS, is. The girl is far from, near, outside. These three are options. We have to select one right option. Her, HOUSE, house. The girl is far from house, near from house, near her house or outside her house. Where is the girl children? The girl is far from her house. You can see she is far from her house. The correct option is far from. So we have to circle far from. Okay children, see the next. You can see the puppy is here and you can see the cot. Let's see the sentence, what is there in the sentence. THE, the, PUP, pup, is. The pup is, what the pup is doing children? Under, over, in front of. Three options are there. THE, the, cot. The pup is under the cot, over the cot or in front of the cot. Where is the pup children? The pup is under the cot. You can see the pup is under the cot. The correct option is under. So we have to circle under. Children, see the next. THE, the, BRIDGE, bridge. The bridge, is. You can see the bridge is here. The bridge is over, under, behind. These three are options. THE, the, RIVER, river. The bridge is over the river, under the river or behind the river. Which is the correct option children? The bridge is over the river. So we have to select the correct option, that is OVER, over. The bridge is over the river. You can see the river is here and the bridge is over. The children, see the next. THE, the, MONKEY, monkey. You can see the monkey is here. The monkey, has CLIMBED, climb. The monkey has climbed up, down, behind. These three are options here. THE, the, TREE, tree. So children, see here. The monkey has climbed up. The monkey has climbed down. The monkey has climbed behind the tree. Which is the correct option children? The correct option is up. You can see the monkey has climbed up the tree. The correct option is UP, up. So we have to circle it. The monkey has climbed up the tree. See the next. THE, the, GIRL, girl. is. The girl is LOOKING, looking. The girl is looking down, in front of, up. Three options are there. FROM, from. THE, the, TERRACE, terrace. The girl, you can see the girl is here. The girl is on the terrace. Where the girl is looking, let's see. The girl is looking down from the terrace, in front of the terrace, or up from the terrace. Where the girl is looking? The girl is looking down from the terrace. So the correct option is down. Children, see the next. THE, the, BOY, boy, IS, is. You can see the boy. The boy is HIDING, hiding, behind, in front of, near. These three are options. THE, the, BIG, big, BOX, box. The boy is hiding behind the big box, in front of the big box, near the big box. Where the boy is hiding? The boy is hiding behind the big box. You can see the boy is hiding behind the big box. So the correct option is behind. Okay children, let's recap once again. The girl is far from her house. You can see the girl is far from her house. The pup is under the cot. You can see the pup is under the cot. The bridge is over the river. Where is the bridge, children? The bridge is over the river. The monkey has climbed up the tree. Where the monkey climbed? The monkey has climbed up the tree. The girl is looking down from the terrace. Where the girl is looking? Down from the terrace. The boy is hiding behind the big box. You can see the boy is hiding behind the big box. Hope children you have understand where to use far, over, under, up, down, over, behind. So children, hope you have understand. Thank you.